What are the 9 laws of logarithms? Continue watching this video if you want to know how to evaluate logarithms using the 9 laws of logarithms, how to simplify logarithms, and how to solve the problem of logarithms by finding the value of x. And we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you would like to improve in your maths and MS skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at the 9 laws of logarithms. The first part of the chapter is to understand the general log rule, whereby a power x equals to n. Okay, so this a is actually the base. Okay, so a is the base, whereas the x is the index or the power. Okay, so in logarithm form, it will be log base a n equals to x. Okay, whereby the a is the base and the x is the index or power. Okay, let's look at the 9 laws of logarithms. So the first one, log ax plus log ay is equals to log axy. Okay, for number 2, log ax minus log ay is equals to log ax over y. For number 3, log ax power n is equals to, so you can bring down the n, so log ax. Number 4, a to the power of log ax, so equals to x. Number 5, log ab equals to log c over log c. Okay, and b is on top and a is at the bottom. Okay, as for number 6, log ba is equals to log a over log ab. Okay, equals, so log a is 1 over log ab. Okay, number 7, log a is equals to 1. Number 8, log a1 is equals to 0. And lastly, number 9, so if log base 10a is equals to b, then a is equals to anti-log b. Okay, so memorize all these 9 laws of logarithms by heart. It will help you to solve the questions in this chapter. Let's look at this example. Evaluate log 3 9. So log 3 9, log base 3 9 is equals to log base 3. So 9 is 3 square. Okay, and then we can bring down the 2, so become 2 log 3 3. Okay, and it's equals to 2 because log 3 3 is equals to 1. So therefore the final answer is 2. Okay, so next, number 2, simplify log 2p minus log 2q plus log 23. Okay, so I'm going to write down the question again. Log base 2p minus log base 2q plus log base 2 3. Okay, so one thing we need to consider is the base 2 are the same for all three. Okay, so equals, we can combine them under one log base 2. Okay, so in bracket, so P we times with 3, okay, over Q. Okay, so equals log 2 3P over Q. So that's the answer. Okay, let's look at example number 3. Evaluate 9 to the power of 1 over 5 log 9, 32. So I'm going to write down the question again. So 9 to the power of 1 over 5 log base 9, 32. So it's equals 9. I can bring up the 1 over 5, become log 9, 32 to the power of 1 over 5. So it's equals to 32 to the power of 1 over 5, okay, according to the law of logarithm. Equals to, so 2 over 5 is 32, in bracket 1 over 5, we can cancel off the 5 and 5, okay, so it's equals to 2. Okay, next number 4, convert log base 2 20k to base 10. So I'm going to write down the question again, which is log base 2 20k, okay, is equals to log base 10 on top and log base 10 at the bottom, and then on top is 20k, okay, and at the bottom is 2. So equals log, we're going to separate this to 10 times 2 times k, okay, over log 2. So equals, so log 10 plus log 10 2 plus log 10k over log 10 2. Okay, so log 10 is equals to 1. So plus log 10 2 plus log 10k over log base 10 2. And that's the final answer. Okay, let's look at example number 5. Evaluate log base 5, 24.5. So for this, we have to change it to log base 10. So log base 5, 24.5 is equals to log base 10 over log base 10. So 24.5 will be on top and 5 will be at the bottom. So equals to, so press the calculator, you get 1.3892 over 0.6990. So we'll get 1.9874. Okay? So let's look at example number 6. Solve the following. Log base 4, 11x plus 3 minus log base 4, x minus 7 equals to 2. So we see here the log base 4 and log base 4 are the same. Okay? So I'm going to write down the question again. So log base 4, 11x plus 3 minus log base 4, x minus 7 equals to 2. Okay? So we look at the bases. 4 base 4 and 4 at both sides. So, which means that we can combine it under one log base 4. So, log base 4, okay, in bracket. So, 11x plus 3 and over x minus 7 equals to 2. Okay, this is in logarithm form. So, we change to index form will be 11x plus 3 over x minus 7 equals to 4 square. 4 square is 16. So 11x plus 3 equals to 16 bracket x minus 7. Then we open up the bracket. Okay, 11x plus 3 equals to 16x minus 112. Okay, then we do linear equation. So we get on the left side, will be this negative 112 shift over, so it become 115, and the right side is 5x. So x is 115 divided by 5 is 23. Okay, so that's the answer. Well, that's all for now. Do you understand what you learned today? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my new videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you will keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!